Oscar von Snifflegotch Shake!
All hail Snifflegotch.
He warmed up by applauding himself. Ladies, gentlemen, inferior silhouettes, prepare yourselves for elegance in motion. I did not invent dancing. I merely improved its posture.
He rehearsed that with 3 mirrors and a crown. He steps to the left, a historical event. Steps to the right, that's government spent. Gold braid swinging like a chandelier. 23 fake medals go clink, clink, cheer. His collar pops like a royal decree. His hips file papers for nobility. Boots so polished they reflect his face. He bows to himself and calls it grace. He spins once slow, then twice with flair. Awards himself a medal for excellent hair. The band breaks down, the crowd goes wild. He winks at a portrait and said,
My child,
Count Oscar!
Count Oscar!
I do not move. Movement follows me.
That is not how legs work.
Do the Symbolz shake!
Golden hips, no mistake. Finger snap, chin held high, make the chandeliers quake.
Do the Symbolz shake!
For vanity's sake, left foot lies, right foot brags, then both accept decay.
Do the Symbolz shake!
Too proud to be fake, glory looks best on me. So watch my tassels break. He shimmies past a mirror and salutes his own reflection. Declares the move a triumph of aesthetic insurrection. He tangles with the cake stand, defeats it in debate, then knights the breakfast table for presenting him a plate. He says, behold my rhythm, it is royal, it is rare. Then triplets on 7 medals from a war that wasn't there. He lands in perfect posture with a smug aristocrat grin and says, I meant to do that.
That was a choreography win.
His epaulettes are bouncing like 2 golden birds of prey. His floral pants are causing diplomatic disarray. The trumpets blast, the drums attack, the choir starts to shake, and Oscar yells,
You're welcome!
for the dance he didn't make.
Everybody, follow along.
Sniffle left,
Gotch right.
polish your medals.
Pose in the light.
Sniffle front,
Gotch back.
blame the poor people for ruining the track. Sniffle high,
Gotch low.
point at yourself.
Like you're stealing the show.
I am the show.
Unfortunately, yes.
Do the Snifflegotch shake!
Make the floorboard ache. Self-award a medal for every breath you take.
Do the Snifflegotch shake!
Let the fake wars wake. If your hand are not applauding, then your eyes made a mistake.
Glory looks best on me, best on me, best on me. Do the Snifflegotch shake!
With a noble little quake, the universe needs sunglasses when my cheekbones wake. He crowned himself at breakfast. He toasted his own name. He danced before 6 mirrors, and each one died of shame. He gave himself a title for most improved and sublime, then sued the word perfection for crossing his bloodline.
Oscar.
Interrupting.
Correct.
He has a certificate.
Framed in gold.
Of course it is.
Count Oscar!
Count!
Count Oscar!
Heir apparent!
Self-inherent!
World's most handsome!
Clearly ferment!
I do not shine, shine copies me.
Oscar!
Oscar!
One Snifflegotch! To the Snifflegotch shake!
Let the heavens vibrate, every star in formation just to watch me rotate.
To the Snifflegotch shake!
Beauty is awake, I invented my own medals for the steps I didn't take.
Glory looks best on me!
Yes,
best
I
on
dress
me,
like this
best
on
me.
purpose.
Old days royalty, or just background scenery. To the Snifflegotch shake, no humility break on the most important man alive. And darling, that's not fake.
Snifflegotch!
Snifflegotch, shake that cape and never stop.
Oscar!
Oscar!
One Snifflegotch!
Thank you. You were adequate witnesses to my magnificence.
He just awarded himself another medal.
For what? Being in attendance.